Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply YouTube Marketing 3.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of YouTube for your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool which you need to know to dominate YouTube marketing in the easiest way possible using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1. YouTube Marketing Basics. In videos 1 through 3, we'll talk about what is YouTube all about, what YouTube can do for your business, shocking YouTube marketing facts to consider. Section 2. Marketing on YouTube, step by step. In videos 4 through 9, we'll talk about creating a YouTube account, YouTube walkthrough, YouTube channels, YouTube Creator Studio walkthrough, start advertising on YouTube, video marketing tips to consider. Section 3. Advanced YouTube marketing strategies. In videos 10 through 16, we'll talk about YouTube Partner Program, live streaming with YouTube, smart ways to get more subscribers on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing, how to get YouTube videos ranked, using the YouTube trending feed for market research, YouTube for developers. Section 4. Additional tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of YouTube marketing. I know you'll love this training.